Alright, we've added the other tablespoon of butter, and we're going to sprinkle about a tablespoon of black pepper on there. And while we're waiting for our other tablespoon of butter to melt down, we're going to take some cilantro and chop that. Again, you can pull off the pieces so that you only have the leaves, but if you have a small, sharp enough knife, you can just go ahead and cut this into a fine piece. Okay, we're going to move our butter around. And then we're going to add our cilantro. Now, as an extra step, and you don't have to do this, you can take half a teaspoon of nutmeg and just sprinkle that over the top.